Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of people still think Phantom Wallet is only for Solana tokens, and that used to be true, but not anymore. Phantom has been expanding and it supports a lot of blockchains, and today we are going to be talking about one of them, which is the SUI blockchain. In this video, I will explain what that means, why it matters, and how it can make your crypto life way easier even if you're brand new to crypto. SUI is a blockchain, kind of like Ethereum or Solana, but it's designed to be super fast and super cheap. It's great for things like NFTs, games, and DeFi. Before now, we couldn't use Phantom Wallet with SUI, but now you can. That means that one app, Phantom, can now manage your assets on Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin, and now SUI. With this, you can create or import a SUI wallet into your Phantom wallet. See your SUI tokens and NFTs. You can also send and receive SUI easily. Connect to SUI apps directly from your Phantom wallet. So this actually gives you more freedom. You don't need 5 different wallets anymore. Just one app, Phantom, for everything. To use SUI on Phantom, that is, just update your app. That is if your app is not up to date. Go to your wallet settings. You will see SUI listed. Just tap it to enable it. That's all. SUI is growing fast, and now with Phantom, it's easier than ever to exploit. If you are into NFTs, DeFi, or just want to try something new, give it a shot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple crypto tips like this.